Welcome guys to my channel once again. It's the host OTC right here. So in today's video we will be discussing about Gbpaud for the upcoming trading week, that is from 12 to 16 July. So let's begin. So guys, as you can see, we're in weekly time frame. So what do we see? We see a nice support. We'll be marking this demand zone from where price neatly pushed up, retraced, then it pushed. How? You can see it's form of retracement, which is much cleaner in between 50 and 61 levels. Alright, so now moving to daily time frame. As you can see, market is in up move. Alright, it's cleanly pushing to the upside, and I see the supply level. Just mark this. Alright, so what I'm saying is that market forming it's much weak now, as market just dips down, then it moves up, but not much clear pattern. You can see from here impulse movement, but then it ranges around this level, which is broken now. Alright, so I will say let's let the market just come to this levels to test, then we can move to the upside or to the downside if we retrace around this level. Alright, now let's do a 4-hour time frame. Alright, now it's much clear in this zone. After breaking this zone, as you can see clear, it formed double bottom, then false breakout, then moves up. Alright, which you can see here, kind of, you can say it's a bullish harami or the morning star. Okay, so if you ask me guys, I'm now bullish in GA. Alright, so I'll wait for the price to come in, retrace around this zone. Alright, now let's see to the 1-hour time frame. Now I can clearly say that market is coming to the downside, testing this zone, then break to the upside, or it might not. Alright, so if you guys like today's video or today's analysis for the upcoming week, make sure that you like and subscribe the channel, so guys you cannot miss any update about upcoming videos in the future. And hope you guys will be having a bang upcoming week, and peace out.